Soccer is a game that is all about movement and making the right passes to create goal-scoring opportunities. And as you'd expect, one of the most effective ways to do this is passing in triangles. This technique enables players to maintain possession and break through the defense. Let's take a look at a practice problem. Given the following angles and distance, find the value of d. Sometimes questions like this one are not drawn to scale. This just means that we should accept the given information to be true, even if the angles and distances don't look exactly like it. Now, it may seem like we need more information to solve this question. However, if you pay attention to the angles they give us, you'll realize that these are 30, 60, 90 triangles, which means we can use the template to fill in the missing side lengths. Let's start with this triangle first. As you can see, this 12-meter side is opposite the 90-degree angle, which means it corresponds with the 2x side in the template. This means that x must be 6, so that 2 times x gives us 12. Now that we know x, we can fill in the other sides based on the template. The side opposite the 30-degree angle corresponds with x, so this side is 6. And the side opposite the 60-degree angle is x root 3, so this side will be 6 root 3. Now let's move on to the second triangle, where our unknown side length is. In this triangle, this 6 is actually opposite the 90-degree angle, which means that it corresponds to the 2x side for this blue triangle. So we set 2x equal to 6, which means x is 3 for this triangle. Since the side we are trying to find is opposite the 30-degree angle, it'll have a length of just x, which in this case is 3. So the answer is 3 meters.